Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Chrysler 200 Limited, stock number B8911A. Only 50,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, deep auburn pearl in color. After our rigorous inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. 200 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Nice size trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, again only 50,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, heated front seats, and automatic temperature control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and home link transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that certified warranty protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8911A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.